Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that button and the notification and stay tuned. Today's video is going to be how I tried a naturally curler video, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting off with these 4 sections and now I'm going to part the hair up front. And I'm going to just, add my gel. I'm adding a couple other items to kind of keep the hair nice and flat and taut. I'm going to brush it out with a soft brush, get any tangles out, and I'm going in with the curling gel souffle by Shea Moisture. I'm going to be adding that on just because I'm going to be doing this plait or braid. I'm going to be doing it in the opposite direction, so from the back of the hair moving forward towards the forehead / eyebrows. So I just want to make sure that everything is in place because I'm going to be moving backwards. That is Kaden in my video, of course. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. And as you can see, she's got a little flyaways and that kind of stuff, but that's really from the back. But I've done a great job to my belief as to keeping all that flat. I am not a professional braider, so for those of you who may be watching, yeah, don't torture me in the comment section. Alright, so I'm just going to keep going down, all the way down until I get to the bottom of her hair. And probably leave about, maybe a fingertip undone that I'm not going to plait. And I'm just going to leave room for the beads that are going to go on the end that she wants. And of course, you guys know that she is camera shy, but it's all good. Alright, so now I'm going to be working on the middle section, which is actually going to be the crisscross or the X. So I want to get that out the way first before I start doing the 2 in between. So I'm just going to get my parts nice and straight, and I'm going to work on that next, so stay tuned. Alright, so I've already started half of the crisscross and I'm taking over the first portion of it, and pretty much I just made 4 rectangles and then I just bring it across as such, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the front right corner and bring it across to the left back corner. Alright, so now I've officially finished my X or my crisscross, and I'm just going to finish this last one out. And like I said, I'm going to leave a little bit of room at the bottom. Of course, he is in the background helping me. Now please excuse all the things you saw in the back. We are moving, so we are moving out of things right now. But anyway, back to the video. So I am going to start working on the 2 middle braids now in between the X and the backwards braid. And same thing, just leaving that room at the bottom because she does want to do some beads a little different. So I'm just going to keep braiding until I get to the bottom, and yeah. Alright, so I've officially finished the first half of her hair, all of the right side. So the backwards braid, the 2 braids in the middle, and the X. And now I'm going to work on the next side. Alright, so I finished off the entire left side, so the backwards braid and the 2 braids in the middle, and the front is done. And now for the Lotta body. I love how this stuff smells, guys. You have to use it. It's so good. Alright, so all we're going to do is Flexi Rods from here on out. Alright, so this is the next day. We've already taken the Flexi Rods out, and this is what our hair looks like. I'm going to go ahead and start to separate some of the curls just to give it a more fuller look, and go ahead and section off the piece that's going to be the bun at the top. Alright, as you can see, we've got the ponytail in, and I'm going to take one of the braids and just create structure around the braid like a faux look, and we're just going to keep playing with the bun until we get the desired look that we like. So nothing particular, just like a sloppy bun, like a space bun. Alright guys, so this is the final results, as you can see here, just like the Naturally Curla video. Alright guys, so we decided for day 2 and 3 to do the buns, the space buns on the top. And that's pretty much it for this video for Naturally Curla, a retake. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you've tried these styles before. And I'll catch you all at the next video. Bye!